CBS Young and the Restless, Ashland looks, revelations, and updates have been with us for over a year now, through two actors, Richard Burgi and Robert Newman, each playing their respective roles in their own way, the best, and no one was criticized for being pale or weak, because this character image has too much to exploit. Ashland gradually reveals his true face, and he will pay for his mistakes only. Ashland reveals that he always has a reason, and that he avoids being asked questions about his past. Victoria is happy to be living with her husband, but since she's no longer the CEO of Newman Enterprises, she's been treated differently. Victoria and Ashland plan to build another company. The company will be called Destiny Media, and this media company, the strength of Ashland and Victoria. But when he heard that the investment amount was quite a lot more than $300 million, Ashland did not want to get involved. He did not like to invest venture capital. Victoria has half of the $500 million that Victor offered, but Ashland thinks he's in control of it. Victoria planned to use all of this money to invest in a new company, but Ashland had other plans for it, so they started arguing. Robert Newman confirmed to leave Young and the Restless, but will an actor replace him for the role? Aren't they doing a great job? Ashland's departure from the show will make fans very disappointed, but every fun comes to an end. There's no need to be sad or pressured. When he leaves, there will be new, more complete additions. Victoria and Ashland will have a bright future if they start their own careers together. Their lives are making everyone feel pressured and exhausted. But just think positive, like Nick said. Let Victoria express herself. She's talented, has understanding. What if she did better than Victor and everyone else did?